The food is here. Alex is very, very hungry. But Lori won't let him eat. She needs one more photo. Stay with Alex and Lori and learn exactly what to say at a fast food restaurant.
Lori, I'm really hungry. Do you want to get something to eat?
Yes, actually, I know a place. There's a fast food restaurant nearby. The reviews are really good.
Fast food? Perfect. Let's go.
Wait, they have many things on the menu.
That's okay. We can look when we get there. Let's go.
Hey, welcome to Talkory English. In this story, you'll learn how to order, ask questions, and pay for your food. If you enjoy learning like this, hit subscribe and join us. Now, let's go back to Alex and Lori.
Okay, counter is right there. Let's go.
1 second. I want to look at the menu first.
Lori, I can see the menu from here. It's a burger place.
They also have chicken sandwiches, hot dogs, and salads. I want to see all my options.
You can look at the menu while we walk to the counter.
That is not enough time.
It is a menu, not a novel. Lori, the line is short. This is a good moment.
Okay, almost ready.
Hi there. Welcome in. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a double cheeseburger, please?
Great choice. Would you like to make that a meal? So that comes with fries and a drink?
Yes, please, with a Coke.
Perfect. And what size would you like for that?
Large, please.
Got it. And is that for here or to go?
For here, please.
Great. Is that everything for you today?
Yes, that's everything. Thank you.
Perfect. And are you together with someone?
Lori, it's your turn.
1 more second.
You have had 14 seconds already.
I'm deciding between 2 things.
Then pick one.
That is what I'm doing, Alex.
Hi. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Okay, I think I'd like the grilled chicken sandwich. But first, what comes with that?
Great choice. It comes with fries or a salad and a drink.
Oh, that's great. Can I get the side salad instead of fries?
Absolutely. We can do that.
Perfect. And can I add avocado to the sandwich?
Yes, we can add avocado. That's 50 cents extra. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
And what drink would you like?
A medium lemonade, please.
Sure.
That's everything, thank you.
Wonderful. Just to confirm, that's a grilled chicken sandwich with avocado, side salad instead of fries, and a medium lemonade. Does that sound right?
Yes, that's perfect, thank you.
My pleasure. Okay, your total comes to $15. Will that be cash or card?
It's on me.
Alex, are you sure? It's really okay. Let me pay for mine.
I'm sure you found the place. You can get it next time.
Okay, thank you. That's really kind of you.
Perfect, thank you. And can I get a name for the order?
Alex.
Great. Your order will be ready in a few minutes. We'll call your name when it's ready. You can wait just over there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh no!
What?
I ordered a medium lemonade. I actually wanted a large.
Lori, you already ordered.
I know, but it's easy to fix. I'll just go back and ask. Hi, excuse me, I just ordered. Actually, can I change my lemonade to a large, please?
Of course, no problem at all. Let me update that for you.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Happy to help? Your order will still be ready in just a few minutes.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Okay, I got everything. Careful, it's hot.
It looks so good. Wait, just 1 second.
Lori, I'm very hungry.
One photo, I promise. Just one.
The food is getting cold.
One more 10 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Done.
Done means done, Lori.
Yes, done. We can eat.
This is really good.
I told you. The reviews were good.
You were right.
The avocado was a good choice.
Maybe I'll try that next time.
See? Now you have a reason to come back.
Great job! Our story is finished. Today, you learned how to order fast food, ask questions, and change your order. Let's look at 3 phrases. Can I get a cheeseburger, please? What comes with that? Can I change my lemonade to a large, please? Now it's your turn. What do you order? Write one sentence in the comments. Subscribe to Talkory English and learn real English for real life. See you next time.
Talk